In April 2014, a teenager urinated into a 50 million gallon water reservoir in Portland, Oregon. As reported by CNN, this prompted the Portland Water Bureau to dump and waste 38 million gallons of drinking water. Our mission is to prevent such wastage of drinking water, thereby also preventing the wastage of monetary funds used to drain and refill the reservoir. We aim to build a model of a drainage system that purifies water as it drains water from a reservoir, thus making the water ready to transport to the household, industrial, and agricultural sectors.
Here is a simulation of our system. Contaminated water flows into the system from the reservoir. As the water flows through the pipes, it goes through a filtering system. The filtered water then flows to the heating system where it is boiled, the heat killing any harmful microorganisms within the water. During our simulation, we slowed down the speed of water flow so that the water would be exposed to the heat from the candle for a long amount of time before the water reached the next pipe.
Once it does reach the pipe, the heated water flows to the cooling system, where it is cooled down, as the Center for Disease Control and Prevention recommends that water is stored at a fairly cool temperature. Cooling occurs when two objects of different temperatures are in thermal contact. Heat will flow from the high temperature object to the low temperature object until the system reaches thermal equilibrium, in which both objects are of the same temperature.
After cooling, the water is ready to transport to the household, industrial, and agricultural sectors. Here is a shot of the water before and after the draining. Upon examining the two samples, it is clear that the water after has less sediment than the water before. The water is not completely clear, but the water should be safe if we ensure that we boil it for around a minute.
During the simulation, we were manually operating our drainage system. However, we realized the need for an automated program. Thus, we have constructed a flow chart for a computer algorithm. Once water flows through the drainage system, a sensor will detect what % of the water is a foreign substance. If the % is above a safe threshold, the program will initiate the purifying process. If the % is below the threshold, the water will be supplied to pipes that transport water to different sectors.